Morning students, we are doing chapter number 8, role of parliament in a democratic country. We have learned about this introduction, right? We have completed this. We have completed forms of government, that we are following democracy government, and that parliament government, unitary government, federal state. We have completed all these topics. We have completed this also. How is the parliament formed? What is parliament? How it is working? And in India we consist two houses, that is Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha. So today we are doing this Lok Sabha, which is known as lower house. We have seen parliament, function of the parliament, and now we learn about how is Lok Sabha, and that is also known as lower house. Lok Sabha को हम lower house से भी जानते हैं. How is Lok Sabha formed? Lok Sabha कैसे formed हुई? House of the people. The election for the Lok Sabha and the state legislative assembly, that is Vidhan Sabha, आर कंडक्टेड इन द सेम वे. लोकसभा और जो स्टेट लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली है, जिसे हम विधानसभा से भी जानते हैं, उनकी जो इलेक्शन होते हैं सेम वे में कंडक्ट होते हैं. लोकसभा इलेक्शंस आर हेल्ड एवरी 5 years. दीज इलेक्शंस आर हेल्ड, elections of Lok Sabha are held every 5 years, and each constituency is represented by one elected member in the parliament. Now each constituency, that is represented by one elected member in the parliament, and the candidate who contest for the seat in the parliament are usually active in various political parties. The candidates who are contesting, who are participating in this election, participating for the seat in the parliament, are usually the active members of the various political parties. Elected candidate is known as member of the parliament. जो candidate elect हो जाते हैं, they are known as the member of the parliament. All these elected member collectively forms the Lok Sabha. Now all these member of parliament, the candidate they are elected, they are called as, they forms the collectively, सब मिलके जो है they forms the Lok Sabha. Now here is the column think. What is the name of the member of parliament of your constituency? आपकी जो member of parliament है उनके name क्या है constituency के? And what is the name of your parliamentary constituency? Right, you just have to think it. Thank you students. We will continue in the next class.